I bet you wanted to sing to other joke.
Sino? Si ano, si Dodo. Dodo. Si Dodo. Basta si Dodo.
Wala nga.
Wala si Dodo. Si Dodo.
Baka bigla ka tumayo dyan.
I thought you said you wanted to sing to her.
Happy Nag-vlog yun siya. Happy birthday.
Oh, walang escape yan.
Walang discussion yan.
No space. Lahat ng tao ginanyan niya.
Meron na mga YouTube.
The lead wishes, huh?
Anything to say, Brad?
Happy birthday, Ate Jo. More order pa kayo.
Uy, taruhan na kayo. Di ko pa kalunod ng order pa kayo.
Hello, Ate Jo. Happy birthday. Sana...
Sana all na kami.
Sana masarap yung ulam. Joke. Happy birthday, Ate Jo. God bless you.
Salamat ate.
Happy birthday, Ate Jo.
That's it. Tagalog, Bisaya, I don't know, whatever language you want it.
Ako na hinugas.
My vlog.
Any wishes to other Joe?
Oh. More babies to come. Ate Jo, more babies to come.
That's it?
Basta
Yeah.
girl, wala problema.
You sure?
Yeah. No. More healthy, sexy body.
Sa tinig na yan.
Like that.
Salamat.
Please, sa katitila. Saan ka?
Happy birthday, but she's not here. I
Yeah.
don't know where you're going.
She will see the video. I don't know what you're gonna say, but you have to say
She
something.
buys something, alcohol.
Any wishes?
More long life. Yes, happy.
Thank you.
Good
That's
health
it.
always. That's it.
That's it. Salamat po.
Salamat po.
To other Joe.
Oh yeah, happy birthday to you. May everything in this lifetime is so easy for you, and may you be happy and be healthy, successful, and more blessings.
Thank you so much.
That's it.
Yeah. Enjoy yourself.
All right. Thank you. Appreciate.
Why are you doing online?
Thanks be to God. It's birthday. Appreciate everything that she did to us. Thanks for the food. And we wish you well in all areas of life.
Thank you so much.
We appreciate whatever you do. You're still keeping us. More blessings, healthy, abundance, wisdom, and peace.
Oh, what a
Thank
nice,
you.
what a nice word. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Appreciate the. Oh, we appreciate you, everyone.
Nangita ba din po, di ba?
Of course, thank you for appreciating me. I mean, like, okay. And
Either way, both ways.
both
Thank
ways.
you.
Like, we must be appreciative, thankful, whatever it is.
Sana maganda yang
It's my
alam mo.
pleasure. It's my pleasure.
Ciao. We're not skipping you here.
Yeah, happy birthday, Ate Jo. More blessings and good health.
That's it.
And thank you for making us a delicious food. More blessings and good health, more birthdays. All your heart's desire will God will, what do you call this one? Help me, Dad. Grant. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Roger, what are you going to say to the special women now?
Birthday to my one beloved in the earth.
No, you've got the whole time now. I'll wait for you. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax. What are you going to say now?
Forever and ever. Far away. I love you. Happy birthday, my dear.
That's it?
Yes.
No. Again.
My special someone and special something.
Even Tagalog, even
Even
Bisaya.
batuta.
Batuta.
Yeah. Happy birthday.
Galit ka.
Ate, parang natin
Merry Christmas.
Baja, take your time and say something. I'm not leaving you today.
He's shy and nervous.
Baja, I'm not leaving you. Say something. Even Tagalog, no problem.
Birthday.
Sabi mo pa.
Sabi niya, masakit yung ulo ko, hindi pa. Kaya pala mabigat.
Maui.
Yan ako lang. Gusto ko i-labing kan ko ah.
Naiiyak ako.
That's it?
Even
Yes.
as long as from here, sa?
Yeah.
From the bottom of
Thank you.
From the bottom of the earth.
Not
Every time you run away from me.
Na, palaro tayo.
Anong palaro, te?
ang palaro.
Mahaba na pagkanod. Pagkatigas. Subo.
Alam niyo naman yan. Ano yun? Ikaw yan? Oh, yummy! Ano yun? Ang palaro ni Cedric ba?
Palaro niya nakaraan.
Daniela,
Awakan mo ng dalawang kamay.
you've been eating for so long. What are you gonna say?
No, sulong talaga. Happy birthday, Ate Jo, and many more birthdays to come. Especially your health should be take care always. Thank you very much.
Yeah, but you're not done.
No?
I'll be waiting for you to swallow, then another way.
Sarong.
Huh?
Hi, Joe. Happy birthday. Wish you all the luck. And thank you so much for yummy food. And I hope you are coming birthday. Birthdays comes to you. And more blessing. Okay. More blessing? Yeah, more blessing. Para ba? Thank you so much.
That's it, you're
For welcome
done, huh?
us.
Thank you,
Thank
appreciate
you.
it. What's up, bro? It's your time now.
هابي بيرثداي شهور سنة سعيدة وكل عام وأنت بخير إن شاء الله.
Arabit ka, Arabit yun ang sinasabi ko.
Thank you, thank you.
Abotin! Abotin!
Ano sabi niya?
Say hi!
Time for
Say hi! Hi!
He's 18 now.
What are you gonna say to Auntie Joe?
Thank you so much!
Are you still chewing?
Yeah!
Paano makapancho? Hindi tinatanan eh.
Here we go. You're not skipping anyone.
Oh wait, Ate Lori first.
Auntie Lori? Let's go.
You first!
Let's go.
Oh, ay, no.
Huh?
Don't shout, don't shout.
Nangyari na naman doon.
Ganyan yan siya pag may sigaw.
Anything to say to Auntie Joe?
Only happy birthday. Happy birthday. And thank you so much.
Pinalangin mo ano rin.
Any wishes?
More birthday to come. More blessings to come.
Thank you.
Thank
Appreciate.
I wish him
You
a
can
good,
talk Tagalog, no problem.
I wish him good health and he
good.
can find his work.
Appreciate it
Ah.
all. Here we go, brother. What's your wishes on Baja?
Good health.
Good health for so.
Yeah.
Oh man, it's gonna
Blessings.
more blessings, good health. Sounds good.
Happy life.
Happy life. So sounds good. Hi, Kuya.
I wish to Baja good health and more blessings.
More blessings. Awesome. Salamat. Here we go, Ate, the Queen of Philippines.
Happy birthday, Baja. Wish you a good health
Queen of
and happy
Philippines,
life.
cinema.
Oh, mashallah.
Ate,
Here you go.
ikaw daw.
No wishes? No wishes to Baja?
Happy birthday.
Alright.
Happy birthday, Kuya Baja.
Any
Wish
wishes?
you a final word.
And a final wish?
Yeah.
Alright. Appreciate it a lot. Enjoy. Masarap ang pagkain. Masarap ang pagkain. Baja.
Maybe me, I see myself.
What do you wish for Baja? What do you wish for Baja?
Huh?
What do you wish for Baja?
More birthdays to come.
Awesome. Appreciate.
Mabuhay siya hanggang gusto niya.
Awesome. Any wishes on Baja?
Happy birthday, Kuya. I wish you matapok pasapok.
Salamat.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Yeah, you
Any
win!
wishes?
Basta good health. Good health, more power, more protein.
Alright, appreciate. Wishes on Baja. Oh, you're not running away. Come on.
Oh, what is my wish for Baja?
Yes.
Good health.
Good health.
Yeah, good health. Long life. And what else? You know what I mean?
I think he's gonna live long because everyone is wishing him good health.
Oh no.
Ate, come back now. Even Tagalog, no problem.
Birthday po.
Any wishes? More healthy again?
Wish ka!
Day. Pwede siya mag-pray.
Any wishes?
No.
I don't know, Kuya. Anyway.
You don't know Kuya? Okay. What do you wish if he was your brother? If he was your brother?
Good health as well.
Good health. Thank you, salamat.
What is your wish for Baja?
Hi, Ate. Kumusta po kayo? What's your wish on Baja?
Happy birthday, Baja!
Any wishes?
More birthdays to come.
More birthdays to come.
Mainit ako.
Ate, what's your
Hello?
wishes on Baja?
More birthdays to come and more food.
More food.
Good health.
Okay. Appreciate.
Wala kasi, hindi ka na kasi pupunta dito.
Thank you. Okay, kainan na. Diyos ko po. Kain na kayo, kain. Nahina na. Nahina na. Angelo. Okay na, sir. Angelo.
Say hi to the vlog. We're on the vlog. This is our vlogger, Mr. Nelson.
Subscribe, don't forget to subscribe. Show some love. Likes. Yeah.
O, sige. Tagdalawahin nyo kasi ano. Marami na rin yan.
How many times? Hey, what's your wish on Baja?
I wish him a very great and happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
So all the food you just choose Coke, huh?
Yeah. I'm getting a Coke. Okay.
You're just getting a Coke.
Yeah.
You can try the new food here. Pinoy Gains.
Alright. Thank you.
You say your wish.
So the other wishes is another birthday.
It's another birthday.
Because if I tell all, I don't have to wish for the next year.
Alright, so only one wish.
Makes
right?
sense.
Which is the one you say before?
Stay healthy, be humble, and be kind.
Alright.
The other next year.
Salamat.
Wait, mag-advance ka na sa akin. Birthday ko next week.
Happy
What a
birthday.
wish. What a wish. I wish I becoming big.
Bata si nanay. Pag hindi ko pumasok sa school, pinasamahan namin. Sa Kaya yung kasamahan ko, bukod mag-ano din, nag-apply sabi. Pero hindi, sabi, ano yung paunahin ko muna tapos na ikas ko, yung ano yun, legend yun. Hindi kami na lang, mga yung kasi interview na isa ng Friday, pero hindi nakapunta. Kaya nga, 11 years na na siya. 11 years na dyan, mag 3 years na.
Ako si Bajo.
Yeah, what's up?
Ako si Baja.
Two more successful years, Baja. That's my wish for you, man.
Thank you, my brother.
Yeah. Ako si Baja. Ay kinagagala ko magkalala
Sana si Nelson.